Hello everyone. Today I'm writing a code that connect to the MySQL database and create a table using a node.js. So first thing is you need to install MySQL Workbench and node.js. Uh, I already have downloaded the node.js. I just open the my command prompt. So you can take a look. The node.js is already installed and also npm. You just have to just make sure node.js is installed and npm is installed, and then obviously mysql workbench is installed. And third thing is the code editor. So I'm using a Visual Studio code editor. So depending what code editor you are using, it, you just install it. So I just need to create one folder. So I'm making a folder. Let's see, cd desktop and mkdir. This is the command to make a folder. So I just you YouTube db, enter, and then cd. Okay. Within the YouTube DB, you have to download one thing, that node.js driver for MySQL. So you just have to simply install the npm install MySQL. So it will create the driver for MySQL. Uh, it takes a while, so it's done. Once it's download installed, so you just have to open the Visual Studio code editor. So you just have to type code space dot. So you will open the Visual Studio code editor. So uh, you just that's okay, and here you go. You need to create a file. So mysql mysql db js. So here you be writing a hard code. So you can uh, start writing hard code here, but before that you need to create a uh, database to connect with MySQL. So how you do that? Just open the MySQL workbench, MySQL. Okay, you can use command from either, but easier to use this workbench. Mm, okay, so here you go. This is local. So and then you can put your credential, password. Okay, so it will open, and then you can create one DB in database. So right here you could create new schema, and database name would be, let's say, uh, YDB. Okay, when you do DB, just YDB, and then apply. Okay, because I put the capital, so it will change the small. Okay, so create YDB and then apply and then finish. So you can refresh this. DB, my DB, we create a YDB right here, YDB. So YDB, the DB, and database, database, and then table. Table, we have empty table, so we can create the table from the node.js. So for the time being. You can minimize and you can start writing a code here. So uh, first bar and then mysql equal to require and define mysql and okay and then close and var con equal to mysql dot uh, create connection and start it's a host, right? Host name would be local host, okay, and okay, and next thing is you need username. So user would be root. I'm talking about this is the MySQL localhost, and then user root, and then password. Password would be, you can okay, password, that's also uh, from the MySQL. Okay, and then we need database. So database, we just create ydb. Mm, okay, seems like it. Password, uh, comma. We're missing the comma here. Okay, and we can close this one. The next thing is we need a con dot connect function and error mm, if 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 error then throw error and print console dot log. Oh, uh, database connected, close. We don't need this one. Next thing we need is create a table. So bar l SQL create table customer T. Okay, YouTube table customer T, and I just put two column. Name should be Bacha 255, comma, and then address. You can put as long as you want it. I just put two field. So Bacha also 255. You can customize how many character you want it. So okay, and then close. And so con dot query SQL and function error. It's error dot result. The comma result, and we can start. Okay. So result. Okay, and then if error and error, then throw error and print console dot log. Okay, so customer T table created. And close this one. So now you can run the program. Now you can close this one too. Close. In order to run the program, you don't need this one. So you just open the new terminal. Just make sure this my you are in a right directory, and then just type node and then mysql db connect.js. You some access denied by user root localhost using password. Yes. D, 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 D. Oh yeah. Something password is missing. So password is not in man. So okay. There you go. Again. So run it again. Node my mysql db connect.js. There you go. So database is connected and customer table is created. So how you make sure that you just go to the MySQL and then verify. So see, just refresh this one. White TV table. Uh, see, customer T. That's the table name. It's created, and we just create two fields. Let's see, column would be two address and name. Okay, name and address. So there you go. And you can insert table, insert name. You can do it later. So now, okay, so that's it. So thank you. So please subscribe and like and comment. I will be making more videos. Thank you.